Hi everyone, the database that I chose to do is the National Institutes of Health. I chose this because I'm very interested in nursing and healthcare, and working as a CNA, this is pretty useful for me. They have a lot of information such as different health information, grants, funding, news, research, institutes, and they even have an about section about the director, everything like that. Different articles on obesity and cancer, opioids, human skeletal stem cell. Here are some of the resources like the Brain Initiative, Cancer Moonshot, there's clinical trials, and you can search this site for anything. Something big right now is the flu, so we can research that. Influenza gives you like a definition, clinical trials, the biology fact sheets, news, videos, different things like images, some more clinical trials. You can get just a bunch of information on anything health related. I know you can't email stuff to you, but here's some library resources, some training opportunities. This just offers a lot of great insight in healthcare if you're interested.